Hi, I'm Tom Sweat, account manager at AeroDefense. My previous law enforcement experience includes station commander at MetLife Stadium. I share that because I was an end user too. With that perspective, I want to show you how easy it is to deploy a temporary yet effective drone detection solution. Priced at under $5,000 per year, chances are it fits within your budget. AeroDefense recently released AirWarden Essentials, a drone detection solution that's a game changer because of affordability, deployment speed, and the capability of monitoring multiple locations from a single interface. AirWarden Essentials works for permanent deployments as well, but today we're going to focus on temporary deployments. Temporary deployments prove vital for airspace awareness at large public gatherings. This includes concerts and other outdoor events, and responding to natural disasters, where first responders may deploy drones for search and rescue and assessment. Not all drones pose a threat. Think authorized media drones, public safety drones, and delivery drones. That's why it's so important to know what's flying and to coordinate drone activity to keep shared airspace safe and secure. This is the remote ID receiver, the backbone of AirWarden Essentials. It comes complimentary with your yearly subscription, mounts within 10 minutes, mounts to up to a 4-inch pole, easily deployable on a tripod like this setup, connects to LTE, powered with this power brick to 120 or 120 power or battery power. Connect that, get LTE connectivity, and you're monitoring your airspace. When a drone is detected, the interface shows both the drone and controller icons on the map, highlighting their exact locations and movement in real time. You'll see the flight path, speed, and the drone's unique remote ID. It's a simple, effective way to gain immediate airspace awareness. This is the historic detections view, where every detection is logged and can be pulled for data analysis, reporting, or incident review. As you've seen, AirWarden Essentials makes airspace awareness simple. Just mount the remote ID receiver, plug it in, and you're operational. No complex setup, no lengthy install. Thanks for joining me. We look forward to helping you protect your airspace.